As the assembly manual details each step in the assembly process, we can add particular details to each step on the 3D model, like this 3D arrow annotation. This 3D arrow will only appear on the specific step selected. Next, we'll add a 3D model of a tool to make clear to the assembly technician that this step will require a tool. We can even add text in the 3D model space of a particular step. This allows for a great deal of detail to be communicated in each step of the process. We can now export the sequence of steps to SVG format, complete with all annotations. Each step in the sequence will have its own SVG file. From the assembly manual document, it's just a case of importing the SVG step required for the step in the manual.